Shokz just introduced the OpenFit Air 2 earbuds, which are about 17% lighter than the previous version. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Weighing in at 7.2 gram per unit, these open earbuds offer a couple of benefits. First of all, there's no ear canal pressure. The design also gives users quicker access to their surroundings, making them a decent choice for exercising outside in a busy city. The only potential downside to this form factor is that they connect via an ear hook. The ergonomic design ensures long-term comfort, but with a catch. These ear hooks could get in the way of glasses and certain hats. Otherwise, the company promises richer bass and fuller sound. The earbuds use the company's proprietary BassSphere audio driver and its OpenBass 2.0 algorithm. There's an angled speaker that directs audio towards the ear for a more natural listening experience. The OpenFit Air 2 earbuds last 8 hours per charge, with up to 36 hours with the charging case. They also offer a 10-minute quick charge that gives 3 hours of playback. This model integrates with Bluetooth 6.1 and allows for multi-point connections, all that for just $130. Shokz also just introduced the OpenRun Air 2 earbuds, which feature a design that wraps around the back of the head. These are also lighter with an overall form factor that prioritizes stability and minimizes bounce. After all, as the name suggests, these are for runners. They use a bone conduction driver and also connect to the company's app for EQ adjustments. The battery lasts 10 hours with a 5-minute quick charge for 2 hours of playback. The OpenRun Air 2 earbuds are also available for $130. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.